Today we are going to learn how to find the numbers which are not in the middle. So here in the question we have made star. So we have to find the value of the star. Now children, you have to be very careful. Now first number is given 9, 7. So once it is given, so we are able to do it the simple subtraction. Is it clear? So this is the question now we are solving here. We have to find the value what is given here. Now 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, we are getting 2. So this is simple subtraction. Okay, we have done. Now how we are going to find this number? Which number will lie here? So what we are going to do? Now here first number is given to you, second number is given to you. So what we are going to do? We have to subtract this number to this number. So 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, we are getting 3. So here your answer will be 3. Okay. Now here same pattern. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. Now if I want to check that I have done correct or not. So what I will do? I have to add these two numbers. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. It means whatever I have done my subtraction, this one is correct. Now we will go for the second question. Now second question, here the number is given to you and you are subtracted by 1 and the answer is given to you. Now we have to find which number will lie here. Okay, now children, here you have to understand, here there is no number, only 0, 0 is here. So first we have to clarify which number is going to come on the top. So this is the question, now we are solving here. So first here 0 is there. So I am not able to subtract 1. So what I have to take? I have to take the number from 1. So 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 10. Now again this one digit will give to this 0. So it will become 9 and this will become 10. Now this process will continue to the last digit. Again it becomes 10, it becomes 9. It becomes 10, it becomes 9. It becomes 10, it becomes 9 and it becomes 10. So 10 minus 1, I am getting 9. Okay. Now here 9 and here dash is given and here answer is. So in 9, which number I should subtract that I should get the answer should be 0. So what I will do? 9 minus 0. See, 9 minus 0. Any number when you subtract with 0, you will get the same number. 9 minus 0, 9. So here I am writing 9. Now 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 9, 8 and the answer is 7. So here it will be 7. Now the same way 9 minus 3. Now this number is 3 and here it is 9. So 9 minus 3. We have to subtract. When we subtract, we are getting 6. Now here 9 and here 9. So in 9, which number I should subtract that I should get 9? So 9 minus 0. It means this number will be 0. Now I have to check which number is this I have done correction or not. I have done it is correct or not. So what I am going to do? This number and this number if I am going to add, I should get the top one number. So 9 plus 1, I am getting 10. It means I have correct. Now 9 plus 0, I am getting 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, I am getting 9. 6 plus 3, again I am getting 9. 9 plus 0, again I am getting 9. Or if you want to add, if you add, you will get the same number. So how we are going to do? Now here, now this number we are going to write first. 9, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9. Now after that we have to write this number 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Now we have to add. Now we have to check that this number is correct with this number or not. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1, carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0, 1, carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0, 1 will be carry over. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry over. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry over. Now 9 plus 1, 10. So what is my answer? 10 lakh. So I am getting answer 10 lakh same. So it means I have done my correct subtraction very clearly. Now we will move for the third question. Now third question is that 8, 7, 6, 5, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 1. 9. Here I am getting star. 3, 5. Okay. Here it is dash. 8, dash, dash, and dash. Now we have to subtract. This is your subtraction. Okay. Now how I am going to do? Here it is 1 and here it is 5. So from 1 we are not able to subtract 5. So what we are going to do? We have to borrow. Now 5 becomes 4 and 1 becomes 11. Okay, once it is 11, so 11 minus 5, 6. 11 minus 5, 6. From 4 we can subtract 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, now children, here 6 is there and here there is no number. Here also there is no number. So what should I do? Now here there is no number and here it is. So what I am going to do? 6 minus 0. Again you will get 6. Because they have not given any number. So we have to select it. Which number is going to be there? That this answer will be there. Now from 7 minus 9. So from 7 how we are not able to subtract 9. So again it becomes 7 and it becomes 17. Now 17 minus 9 we are getting 8. And here there is no number, so 7 will become 7. Okay. Now again we have to add these two and we have to check this number is correct or not. So 7, 8, 6, 1, 6, 9, 0, 3, 5. We have to add 6 plus 5, 11. 1, 1 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 8, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17. 7, 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8. So I am getting the same answer. So it means I have done correctly. You can't take any number here because we want to check the number. Suppose if the number is not here, it means the here number will be the different. But when we take 0, we are getting the same number. Okay. Now we will move for the fourth question. Now this is the fourth question. Now we are going to subtract this. Now from 7 we are not able to subtract 9. So what should I do? I have to borrow from the next number. So this is 7. It becomes 6. And this becomes 17. Now 17 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 9, 8. Now from 6 also I am not able to subtract 9. From 6 also I am not able to subtract 9. So again I have to borrow the number from here. So it becomes 6 and it becomes 16. 16 minus 9, 7. Now from 6, if I am going to subtract 7, it is not possible. So again I have to take the number from here. It becomes 6, it becomes 16. So 16 minus 7, 9. Now here 6, again I am not able to subtract. So this 7 becomes 6 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9, 7. Now here 6 and here 6. 6 minus 6, 0. And now 7 is here. There is no number. It means 7 minus 0, 7. So this is our answer. 7,07,770. Now I have to check that this answer is correct or not. So what I am going to do? Again, same way. 8. Now here 6, 9, 9, 9, 9. I have to add. Now this number we are going to add. 8 plus 9, 17. 7, 1, carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 7, again it is carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Again 7, it is carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 7, 1, carry over. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And here it is. So there is no number 7. So I am getting the same answer, 7,77,777. Same number which we have got in the question. It means we have done the subtraction correctly. Thank you.